Hey Spy Ninjas, today we're gonna be doing hot versus cold challenge because in order to get to the leader's secret room, we gotta go through the weather simulation room.
Oh my gosh, that was the room that was all windy and then it got hot and then it got cold and we all perished.
I'll host the hot challenges because my temper is hot.
I'll host the cold challenges because I'm cold as ice under pressure. So today we're gonna find out which Spy Ninja is the iciest and which Spy Ninja is the spiciest.
Did someone say the spiciest?
The first hot challenge is going to be wearing the most layers of t-shirts that you possibly can. It's 100 degrees out, so you'll be wearing more than 100 shirts. And the winner with the most t-shirts on gets a special prize.
Wait, where's V?
V?
There she is.
Wow!
Spicy Senorita is here!
Spicy señorita.
Shake well before use.
Okay.
Ready to get sweating?
No. Shirt number 1. Or should I say number 2, because we already have one on. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. I'm selling merch like a god church.
Well, I did.
It's not mine.
I did say junk shirts.
My money's on Daniel because he's got a scarecrow-like body.
Thanks, man. Shirt number 3. My muscles are too big. Yeah. Shirt number 4.
Remember this one, Melvin?
No.
What if this was one of your grandmothers?
I don't see the resemblance.
Melvin. Melvin, it's me, your grandma.
Let's speed this thing up with a time lapse! 9, PV9, that's me.
I'm going to pop you off.
Anyone else getting hot?
Yeah, you actually don't look so good either.
You look like you're from a Daft Punk music video. Around the world, around the world, around.
Guys, stop it! It's too hot in here!
Are you giving up? Give
Yeah,
over.
I'm giving up. I don't need this in my life!
Good luck getting all those shirts off, though.
You're quitting?
That's what it takes to breathe again.
And there were 3 left.
I'm still good.
Me too, I can do this all day.
Oh! You were sweating your pits out!
Oh my
Oh!
Oh god!
I wanna smell.
Ew! Why is he so gross?
Oh!
Cut that! I don't want them to see. Dude. Everyone sweats, right?
Everyone sweats.
You're perspiring.
You know how many loads of laundry this is all gonna be?
Daniel, you got a big old belly. Turn sideways for the camera.
Hey, it must be really, really toasty underneath all those layers.
I feel good.
These are choking my neck. My neck is too strong and muscular. It's choking me.
You can see all the layers, and he's clearly wearing just as much as V or Daniel. But he doesn't look that different.
Yeah, what's up with that?
Wait, you look literally the same.
Oh, Chad, are you okay?
I can't breathe. This is getting dangerous. I gotta get this off. I quit. Here, who's gonna help me disrobe? Ooh, good luck. So nice.
Wow. Oh, Daniel.
I believe that these two have reached maximum shirt capacity. But we still need to decide a winner. Let's head to the outside where it is over 100 degrees. Ooh, it's pretty hot out here. They look like they're ready for a sumo royale. They gotta belly blast each other out of the circle.
Come on, there we go.
Yes!
Ooh.
3, 2, 1, sumo!
Are you okay? Let me help you out.
No control! Can you help me up now, Chad?
Ready, V?
Yes.
Really is range of motion.
Okay, so I win the challenge?
I won! Let's get these shirts off of these guys and let's move on to the next challenge!
This next challenge is the Ice Bath Challenge. Get in.
What?
What?
Oh my god, it's so...
Oh my gosh.
Ow, it hurts!
Ah, come on, guys, we can do it!
What?
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, you guys are crazy.
The trick is to focus on something else. I will ask you a question and you answer the question. First up, Regina.
Let's go, baby! Okay.
Get in there.
Focus.
Ask the question.
Where is the safe house?
I can't tell you, you're the cloaker! Guys, can I tell him the address so I can get out of here, please?
No.
We're in Las Vegas!
This is good. You see how you're focused on the question and not the problem at hand?
Yes!
Yes.
Yes! Woo!
Get in, Chad.
Here we go.
Sit down.
Oh my gosh, Regina, how did you sit down in this?
Icy!
My butt crack!
You can do it.
Okay,
Focus, Chad.
focusing.
Are you ready for your question? Here comes your question. Are you ready for it?
Ask it!
What is in the envelope that you found at your parents' house?
Oh, that envelope that crazy Russian hacker found?
Yes.
I don't know what
That
to do,
one.
Chad.
I've never told anybody what's in that envelope except for V.
Wait, I want to know. You should say it.
I will not answer that question. I will instead take my punishment. A bag of ice? No! Another bow!
You dropped a big clunk on his head!
Focus your mind. Focus your mind. You passed.
Yes!
The Qwaint. The challenge is yours. Focus your mind.
Be the hot sauce packet.
Oh, are you ready?
Who is the most annoying spy ninja?
Oh, don't answer that, B.
Think about the question.
I can't answer it.
Do you have an answer?
No, I don't have an answer. I'll take the punishment. Hurry! Hurry!
More ice.
Oh my gosh, slow-mo.
Focus your mind.
Okay, I'm focusing.
Focus.
I'm focusing.
Here we go. Yes.
I can't tell if I peed my pants or not.
Oh.
Great job, V. Extreme focus.
Thank you.
I'm getting better at this high five business.
What an awesome challenge. What's next?
You're going in.
Hey, just get in there, dude. Ah!
Drop it like it's hot.
Drop that. Good. Lead him.
Ew.
That'll do.
Focus.
Feel it in your butt crack.
Oh, I feel it!
It goes up in there.
Don't do that!
Sorry.
Answer the no, it's
Accepted. Focus, Daniel.
What'd it do? What'd it do? What'd it do?
Daniel Gizmo,
Cloaker.
are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes!
The question is, have you ever liked anyone while you were working for Project Zorgo?
The Project Zorgo members?
Yes.
None of them, man. We all hate them, right? Of course. There's no good ones.
Not even me? Or Melvin?
Oh, well, Melvin's pretty cool now. Yeah, he's like, he's a cool dude. So
Yeah.
Melvin's my answer.
Do you see how calm you are now?
Yeah.
Because you're focused on the question and not on the problem.
He's right, though. When I was thinking about what I was thinking about, I felt calm and happy.
What were you thinking about?
Yeah, what were you
Melvin?
thinking about? Oh, just the question and staying focused.
Yes. Show us that you are the iciest spy ninja.
What do you mean, Cloaker?
You can be the only one who's fully submerged.
I can't let Daniel be the iciest spy ninja because I'm the iciest spy ninja.
He's right.
Oh no, we're gonna do it together.
I want to join in too because I'm just straight up icy. I'm bringing my bath bomb.
Are we going? Are we going under?
Fully submerged. Focus on the problem.
No, let's get out.
2,
Let's get out.
1, go!
I don't know.
It's cold. It's cold.
What the heck?
It's not even open. It's not open, man. It wasn't open. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. I can't.
Only PZ9 went fully submerged. Is there no spy ninja who dares to do it?
I'll dare to do it for the second time.
I'm gonna do it too.
Team focus.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
No.
Excellent form. That was great. You're one step closer to being prepared.
Woo, we're all cold from that last one, right? Well, I'm about to turn the temperature way up with this hot seat challenge. I'm gonna ask each of you some Spy Ninja trivia as you guys consume these food items from least spiciest to the most extreme.
Wait, is this Carolina Reaper? Uh-oh. That's the hottest pepper on earth.
If your focus is strong, you won't fear the Reaper.
So the first spicy item is gonna be Takis Fuego. Let's see who falters first.
Hey, Melvin, why don't you quit talkies?
Oh, yeah, that would be great.
Ew.
He's trying Takis.
Not that bad. It's kind of spicy.
All right,
It's delicious.
now that everyone has finished eating their first chip, let's play Finish the Lyrics.
Oh, please.
Start with these.
Chad, you're dull. You become such a bore.
That's not it.
Such a board.
Hard game.
I'm a piece of wood.
Well, let's continue again. Chad, you're dull.
You become such a snooze.
I'm getting nervous. If we have to battle hackers, we probably lose.
He's so bland and just so vanilla, like PZ2's favorite cheeseless cake, Sedilla.
You're right. I thought you were wrong, but then you were right.
Okay, good. Well, maybe these items aren't spicy enough for all of them, so we're skipping it. Screw it. I'm gonna eat this later. Let's go straight to the jalapeno.
I can't handle this. The littlest
done this before.
The littlest ones are the hottest ones.
Ooh, I can take that picture. Here's the bigger one.
Oh!
Take a bite.
Wow, they sound so juicy and crisp.
I don't like vegetables.
It's delicious.
Are you kidding me? It feels like I'm eating dirt.
Is it spicy to anyone?
Feels like Chad has the palate of the viewers.
Oh, it's nice and sweet.
Question while you guys are dealing with a spice. What was Chad and V's first viral video?
Oh!
Hey!
Yeah. This was the video they made. Oh, it's a cute one. Chad.
Me? Too slow. Out of
Too
time.
slow.
Ran out of time.
Chad, engaging to V. What?
Chad proposed to V with an iPhone video.
What did you say?
Yes, he put
Yes.
a ring on it.
The spice is getting to everyone.
It's just hard to concentrate with all this spice.
Let's move on to hot sauce even I wouldn't dare try. Extreme hot, screaming hot, Scorpion and Carolina Reaper hot sauce. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no.
Me? Oh my god, once this starts going here,
Oh,
bro.
I feel it.
Can you, my voice actually sounds different right now.
You guys are all right?
What's the difference between me and Chad and the girl? Jenny!
Who's Jenny?
Yeah, who are you calling to?
I don't know. The spiciness is getting to me.
Is that your girlfriend?
Your mom?
It's nobody, Regina.
That's so funny.
It's so cute of them.
I guess we're definitely the spiciest. We all know which Spy Ninja is the spiciest. The one who wore the most layers of clothes and handled the hot sauce with no problem. The spiciest today is Qwaint! Well, Cloaker, it's your turn to award who's the most iciest.
The one that was as cold as ice could be while under pressure. The iciest Spy Ninja is definitely Chad Wild Clay.
Hey! Because I sure ain't the spiciest, that's for sure.
As winners, you get to choose someone to prank.
Why don't we all go outside and we'll surprise you with who we prank? Are we ready to be pranked?
I choose.
Can't be me, right?
Who's icy now? Cloaker, that's what you get for dumping ice on my head. Your phone, your watch.
Uh-oh, there's hacker activity at the park.
Guys, this is our opportunity to work together as a team finally and take down some hackers.
After all the challenges we've been doing, I think it's time we show the Spy Ninjas what we can do all together.
Yes, it's time to showcase our strength.
I just pranked you with some ice. Why don't we prank the hackers? If we prank them bad enough, maybe they'll just give up and quit Project Zorro.
All right, guys, are you ready for this mission?